Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to create colorful contrast in Photoshop. While most people think dialing the saturation up on an image will make colors pop, we'll be using an advanced approach to making things look even better. Open your image and create a duplicate layer. Select the layer and go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Below, adjust vibrance and saturation. While saturation slider adds or decreases saturation to the entire image, the more parts of the image is saturated, the more the vibrance makes it saturated and vice versa. This can oftentimes yield the results that you're after, but we'll take this up a notch. To make colors complement each other even further, we'll change some of the colors to get a contrasty look. Go to the 4th tab and under HSL you have a myriad of settings to play with. Under Hue, sliding the slider will change corresponding colors to what you set those to. Under Saturation, these sliders now control how much each color is saturated. Luminance sliders control how bright each color is. These sliders can really help you take the image up a notch. We'll adjust these to contrast each other even further, as you can see. Unfortunately, this method is not non-destructive, but it'll yield amazing results rather fast. Best of all, this method works both on regular images as well as Camera Raw photos. What would you like to know more about Camera Raw Filter? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.